Hallo.
Hey, honey. How's it going, homesteaders, backyarders, greenhouses, polytunnelers? Are they called polytunnelers? They are now. This is the roundup. Look, we've already got dead animals. How long did it take? Seconds. Somehow these bugs have got up in here and died. It's been a few days since we put it up. The weather hasn't been warm enough for us to be able to do the proper stretch. But to tell you the truth, we might do some of that stretch today. Because I tried the end bits, and even my own body weight can bring the end parts down. So together, I think we can do at least the ends. Maybe on Friday when it's really warm, we can try and bring down the sides more. But the front there and this end bit over here, we can fix them. The cat hasn't been in here before, so it's just discovering it. That explains a lot. Okay, I took out all the blocks, and basically it's this simple. You can see the rail system that I've made all the way around, how there's a gap, 2 inches in the middle, 4 inches on the end, or on the sides I should say. And basically I took away the blocks now, I unscrewed the fixing to the pipe, and basically it's pretty cool actually. Because of this piece of wood here, you just hold on to that and step on this big 4x4. And then your body weight brings down the side of the greenhouse. We can have a look at it over here in the middle. Just make sure to keep it far away enough so it doesn't interfere with the plastic. Right, Jamie? Alright, so step on it. See, it comes right down. So with a little finesse, moving the wood around so that it's flush, like that, we'll be able to screw that down, and it'll stay fixed, and it'll be much tighter by the time we're finished. Alright, that's how simple it is. You do need a minimum of 2 people. So one person has to do the screwing in, the fixing, the other person has to stand on the bit of 4x4. Ideally, it would be a piece of maybe 2x6, just more like a panel, and then your feet fit on there better. This is a little dangerous, but because of this piece of wood here, it's not very dangerous at all. You have something to hold on to all the way along. Here, I guess you just hold onto the frame and pull this thing down. You can already see that it's getting tighter. By the time we're finished, I guess maybe on Friday we'll be finished, everything will be as tight as it could possibly be. How tight is that? I'm not entirely sure. But if necessary, we could also get those guys back to stand on some bits of wood for us to pull down the rest of the greenhouse. If necessary. But we'll see how we go. I'm pretty confident. Very happy with how it all came together. It's been very, very windy. We had a few storms with warnings over the last week or so, and none of them have damaged or ripped the greenhouse. I didn't like it, but I could hear it flapping around in the wind. But I guess that's just the way it is at the moment. Really looking forward to pulling the sides down. It's going to make a big difference. still. Very happy with how it all has turned out. The door is a big consideration for next time, meaning next time I do a video there will be a door there, but before that we have to pull this down. If we keep a bit like 2 inches on either side for the air to come in, there's nothing wrong with that either. There's nothing wrong with that. If necessary, we'll put some mesh over it so bugs and things don't come in with it. But yeah, it's going to be very interesting by the time we're done. And special thanks to the guys from White Hag Brewery who were in here giving us a hand last week. And hopefully by the time they see it, it'll be finished. Maybe have a little barbecue or something. Thanks for tuning in. My name's John Green. Behind the camera's Dominique Green. This is Jamie Green. Taking it easy. And we're going to see what we can do today. The next video I'll talk about what we have done, and maybe we'll put it on a tripod and film us pulling the sides down. We'll see how that goes. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Green Ideas.